Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. This particular video will also be applicable for Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 as well. So let's begin with that. So in this particular video, we'll be going to see how to resolve the underlying Google Play Store related problems in Android Pie for both the sets like Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 and Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. Before that, let me confirm you that my phone is already in Android Pie, as most of the users are still in Android Pie. So I thought let's create a video from the Android Pie's perspective, although this will also be applicable for Android 10 users as well. A little bit options would be different in terms of UI and so on. So like you can see Android 9 with the version 0.59. So now it comes like you are facing a lot of issues with the Google Play Store, like either it is not opening, if it is opening then it is not able to show you apps and so on, or like other things. If it is showing you are trying to download and download is been stuck down, or either it has been stucking at 30%, 70% and so on, and you are so much frustrated and you are planning to do the factory data reset. But before that, I'll suggest you to follow these steps and hopefully this will resolve your underlying issues, because in most of the cases, 90 to 95% cases, I would say chances are that this will resolve your underlying issues. So for that, just long press on Play Store button and you will see this particular file icon. Just tap it here and afterward it will open the dedicated app information section for the Google Play Store. Here you just have to tap on storage section and you will find two options. One is clear cache and another is clear storage. So in step 1 or phase 1, we will be just clearing cache. So it will clear the cache and make it 0 byte. So afterward, close all the open files and again open the Play Store and see whether your underlying issue has been resolved or not. But there is a catch with this part, like clearing the cache or clearing the data. Whenever you do that, your app listing might not be available for up to 72 hours, but that doesn't be hampering your phone. Your installed apps will still be there, nothing will be deleted. But even you can see that at my side, I'm able to view each and every bit whatsoever has been installed. 72 hours is just I would say at most time, or I would say turnaround time given by the Google, so that if someone is facing, then they should wait up till 72 hours and afterward their cache will be rebuilt and everything will be available or like shown there. Now let's assume that after clearing cache again you are facing the issue, but now this time we'll be doing second step or second phase. For that, again long press, tap on file icon or information icon, again the same storage section. Now instead of doing the clear cache, just tap on clear storage. So it will prompt delete app data. All of this apps data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, database, etc. and so on. So just tap it, nothing else. Now it has cleared user data and cache as well, but you will again be like closing each and every bit and try to open Play Store. And this time 90 to 95% chances are that all the underlying issues have been resolved and you can check each and every bit. Again the same thing, like I have told you that particular index, or I would say cache building, might not be available for certain time, but as you can see within 5 to 10 seconds it has again rebuilt, everything is available. So this was all from my side related to how to resolve the Google Play Store related underlying issues for Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 and Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 on Android Pie or Android 9. Although this is applicable with Android 10, Android Oreo and so on, Android 11 whatsoever, even with other handphone or smartphones too. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family, and apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.